Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video of Vishal Knowledge World. So friends, in today's video we will learn how to find best keywords for our YouTube videos, YouTube channels, blog post and also website. Friends, today we will also learn what is SEO. SEO is nothing but search engine optimization. Friends, very important thing. If you want to grow your channel or if you want organic audience, genuine audience, then SEO is important. Because guys, what people are searching on the Google, we don't know. So we want that what people are searching on the Google. If we get to know that, then you can easily guys monetize your channel, grow your website organically. Okay, so for organic views and organic subscribers and organic visitors, friends, we need SEO. So watch this video till the end, learn everything about the SEO, use these tips and tricks and grow your channel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and share with your friends and family members. So friends, first we'll open our browser, Chrome browser.
Home. Maps. Setting. 0%. How to earn. Switch or close tabs. Button.
So
AI
guys,
overview is ready.
this is our Chrome browser. Nothing but a Google search bar. Okay, so for searching anything, what we'll do guys, only two things. If you need a video solution, you will visit your YouTube search bar, and if you want suggestions in text, images and other formats, you use browsers or otherwise Google. So guys, Google is the largest search engine, first largest search engine in the world, and YouTube is second video search engine largest. Okay, so friends, search engine optimization is nothing but search engine is the engine which helps you in finding your results. Means if you are searching something, you will get result particular related to that topic. Okay, so for example, if you want a video or if you want a blog post in the topic name called how to earn money online as a visually impaired, so what we'll do, we'll search how to earn money as a visually impaired person. This is only the one keyword, but not everyone is searching similarly. I am searching different, you are searching different, so everyone has their different way of searching. So how to know that what people are searching? Okay, that process is called search engine optimization. So we get keywords, you can find your keywords with the help of Google. Okay, and you can use this keywords in your YouTube videos and also in your sites and blogs. But friends, when you use this keywords, okay, search engine optimization, so when you use these keywords and make your video SEO friendly, that process is also known as search engine optimization and search engine, or you can say SEO friendly content as well. And also optimized video means we are optimizing with the search engine. We are not doing anything, just we are using the keywords which people are using. But this is only not the process guys, this is a lengthy process. In this we'll also check keyword competition as well. Okay, what is the competition, because we want less competition keywords, which helps us in also growing our channel. So today we'll find some keywords, and in our further videos we'll learn how to find no competition video tags as well, tags or keywords, whatever. Okay, and also we'll learn how to implement this, okay, practical, how to use these keywords in our channels and also how to use for our videos as well. So 4-5 videos I'll make on search engine optimization and keywords. Okay, so guys, what is keyword? Keyword is nothing but keyword is a something which you are searching. Okay, for example, earn money online, this is a keyword. What we are searching is a keyword, nothing but in simple terms what you are searching is a keyword. Okay, so it's nothing but a prompt, you can say it's a command. Okay, because when you are searching this, you are getting results, search engine is helping in this. Okay, so this is the process where you will give your command and you will get results. Okay, so for example, I need a video on how to make money. So how to make money is a keyword or command which I am giving to the search engine, like I want a video on how to earn money online. So search engine is providing me some results. Okay, it is giving me some results. So this process is known as keyword. Okay, so now we'll learn how to find. So guys, I have one keyword.
Customize how to earn money for visually impaired people. Google search.
How to
Web
earn
view.
money for visually impaired people. I'm searching on Google. Okay, you can also search particularly one keyword. Okay, guys, we also have tools. Okay, we'll also use tools as well, but today we are finding generally from the Google directly itself. Okay, you can also find using YouTube. Okay, same thing, we'll learn everything, but today we are learning basic from Google. Okay, so friends, now we'll check some results. Okay, we got some results already. Okay, because I have searched already this keyword. You can just enter your keyword and press the search button or go, you will get this option. Okay, so first you will get some results. Okay, obviously we'll get results because we are searching on Chrome browser, so we'll get some sites and videos, but we'll not watch all those. Okay, just will swipe from left to right. Okay, and you will get an option. Okay, so let's see.
Go collect lead search set search collect filter image news shop web book collapse search AI overview learn about Jane off people remote job watch earning info line mute about career collapse from collapsed journalist button.
So guys, you will get so many options, just you have to swipe from left to right. Okay,
Collab 9 feet how to about teacher 8 at middle 9 good what do 20 Jan what are 1 at June what are 6 in May what mid 9 at November more results from people also ask. Heading
people also ask. Guys, this is the option which is very useful for finding keywords. Okay, people also ask means, guys, this is the process where you will get all the keywords which people are using for searching this particular thing, like this particular keyword or this particular topic. You can also change your topic, guys. You can also use a topic name called how to use artificial intelligence, very popular, right? So you can take that one as well. You can take how to do accounts. You can take how to handle taxation if I am a visually impaired. You can use anything, guys. Okay, any keyword, you will get what people are searching other as well. So what people are searching, let's see some keywords, let's check. Okay, so we have only the one keyword, but we'll get now so many keywords.
about this result collapsed. How can a blind person earn money button.
How can a blind person earn money? Yes, this is the first keyword and very popular. Okay, general keyword. Oh, everyone search this. Okay, next.
Collapsed. How much money do blind people get paid button.
How much blind people do get paid? Okay, so this is also another keyword.
Collapsed. What jobs can I do with poor eyesight button.
What jobs can I do with poor eyesight? Guys, this is the keyword which is, very less known, and I never got a thought that I should use this keyword in my YouTube video, but actually people are searching this. So we can use this keyword. Generally what people do, guys, how to make money as a blind user, how to earn money with screen reader, how do you make money blind user, but with poor eyesight, this is the new keyword, guys. Okay, you can use this one. So let's check more.
Collapsed. How do blind people use money button.
How to blind people use money, guys. This is again, it's a grammatical mistake English. Sometimes, guys, it doesn't matter English in the keywords, guys. Sometimes will search with poor English or less grammatical, guys. This is the thing, that's why you want a research tool, because if you use this tool also, you will get audience, because some people don't know English. So what they'll do, they will search like this. And guys, this is the thing really helps you in growing videos if you also use a weak English in your some one or two keywords part. Okay, so you can use this keyword as well, which people search generally. Guys, sometimes pronunciation also matters. Yes, guys, sometimes in keywords. So we want those type of keywords, so that's why we are searching here.
Feedback. Videos. Collapse. Expand. There are. What jobs do blind people do? Site advice fact cited. Search for.
Guys, you will also get results if you click on one keyword. Okay, so here are the keywords which we got.
What job there are blind? Expanded. Collapsed.
Okay, so if you expand this result, you will get some more results. So these are the keywords, guys, which really people are searching. And now what we'll do is just we'll copy this keyword and again we'll paste, again some more keywords we'll get. So multiple times you can do, guys. You will get again new keywords with new process. So let's check.
There are blind. Expanded. What job? Collapsed. How to blind people use money. Button.
How to blind people use money. Let's take this.
Top. Describe. Read from. Copy. Copied. Open. Connect with new tab. Signed in. Switch. Customized search. 20. Showing text. Showing. E. Collapsed. How to money question emote go. 0%. Progress bar. 0%. Collapsed. How to blind people. How Tom collect miss collection collect man about sub M my and how about April M so it's euro about by L 20 side M this lot to detect different about different collapse miss collapse show collapse how do about April M that many assist help miss collapse show collapse the best about the right hand and find four out of about some the tell people about how does a blind about the people also
searched. Okay, again we got keywords.
About this, how does a blind person identify money in India? Link.
Guys, we got again one more new keyword.
Why is there no braille on money? Link.
Why is not there braille on money? This is again a new keyword.
Blind money meaning. Link.
Blind money meaning is again a keyword.
Is there braille on money?
Is
Link.
there braille on money?
Teaching money to blind students. Link.
Teaching money to blind students.
What countries have braille on their money? Link.
Okay guys, this is also a keyword.
iBill currency reader. Link.
iBill, I think this is a software or app something, okay, which people are searching.
Click pocket money brailer. Link.
Guys, I don't know all this, but I think these are the softwares, okay, which are useful for reading money. So we have keywords here.
Page navigation. Okay. Heading 1.
So these are the keywords, guys. Again, you can use this keyword for the search. Okay, take any keyword search, again you will get new results. So guys, this is the actual process from where you can find keywords which are very helpful and related to your topic. Okay, if you want any topic, search any topic: share market, cryptocurrency, finance, technology, IT, computer, Android. Okay, there are so many keywords, guys, and this is the main search bar, so where people search. Okay, actually, so you will get results as well, video results and website result. If you want, you can refer that as well, but I am not referring that. I am finding directly from the what people are searching. And guys, you can check my video views as well. When I am using these type of keywords, I am also getting more views, because what actually people are searching, that I am using in my video, so obviously I will get views, right? So this is the main process, guys, which helps us in growing our channel, blog, website. Not only channel, blog, website, if you want, you can use for your social media handles as well, because guys, these are the keywords which really helpful. Okay, so this is for today, guys. We have learned about the SEO, what is SEO in simple terms, and also we have learned about the keyword finding. So in next videos we will learn how to find competition of video keywords, how to use them practically. Okay, so many things are there which we will learn in our upcoming videos. Till then, take care, bye bye, tata.